Are you feeling like your investments on Betterment are stuck in neutral? Are you wondering if you're really getting the most out of what this powerful robo-advisor has to offer? Betterment is a fantastic tool for automated investing, but just like a high-performance car, you can't just set it and forget it and expect to win the race. To truly maximize your returns, you have to know how to use all the features at your disposal. So let's dive into the 3 key strategies to supercharge your Betterment portfolio. First, let's talk about your portfolio allocation. Betterment sets a default stock-to-bond ratio based on your goals, but this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Are you investing for a long-term goal like retirement, decades away? Then a more aggressive portfolio, maybe 90% or even 100% stocks, could be your best bet. The longer your time horizon, the more you can afford to ride out market volatility for the potential of higher growth. Conversely, for a short-term goal like a down payment on a house, a more conservative allocation with more bonds will help preserve your capital. Don't be afraid to adjust your allocation to match your specific risk tolerance and timeline. Second, embrace the magic of tax management. Betterment's automated tax loss harvesting isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can turn market dips into tax savings. When an investment in your portfolio loses value, Betterment automatically sells it to realize a loss, then immediately buys a similar but not identical asset. These losses can then offset capital gains, which can lower your tax bill. Betterment also uses something called a tax-coordinated portfolio. This smart strategy places your highest growth, highest tax assets, like stocks, into tax-advantaged accounts like an IRA, and your lower growth, lower tax assets, like bonds, into a taxable account. This can significantly boost your after-tax returns over the long run. Finally, the simplest and most effective strategy, make consistent, recurring deposits. Betterment's own data shows that clients who set up auto deposits earn higher returns. Why? Because you're taking emotion out of the equation. You're not trying to time the market. You're consistently buying into your investments, whether the market is up or down. This practice, known as dollar cost averaging, can lower your average cost per share over time and build your wealth systematically. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.